Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Ntokozo Mathebula, aka Ublaze. I run a business called Embroidery. I run it with my partner, Mathebula. The business started on 2020 after we've encountered the problem of branding through embroidery actually. So the reason why we wanted to start the whole company thing, it's because of most people who run such businesses, they're always busy and they take time to deliver their services. So I wanted to bring it closer to our township around the Katlehong. We stepped in this business after we started a business called Betaware. We based in fashion actually. So this fashion business and branding requires embroidery, so we wanted to start it because most of the youngsters, they're also creating their own businesses, so they need us to brand and deliver quick services and all that. So what we do is we brand clothing for companies, big retail companies, corporate clothing, for schools, clothing and everything. So we are based in Katlehong. You can follow us on Instagram if you wanna keep in touch with us. It's at Embroidery Android. On WhatsApp it's 063 916 8233. And then on Facebook is Embroidery. Hi, my name is Ntokozo Mathebula and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.